Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, today I am repairing this is FBT model Vertex CLA604 salsa line array module with 5 speakers inside and tweeter is there. Well, the problem in this is there is no sound problem, no sound, so we'll check it out what's the issue in this. So I'll put it on, so power comes. Okay, so I have given the input signal. From the XLR, so we'll see there is no sound. So this is the problem. So let's check what is the issue in this. Okay, just keep watching my video till end. So I have already removed this net. Okay, so there are 4 speakers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and HF, 6 LF and 4 HF. So now we'll check inside of this one. I'll just remove the speakers one by one and we'll check what is inside, because something is moving inside, I heard. So we'll take it out the speakers and check. So friends, I have removed the speakers. This connection is there, so we'll check what is the status. Oh my god, see, this is broken badly. So the only speaker is left and the magnet is lying inside. Let's see. Okay, so because of this sound was not coming, so we'll check this. See, speakers come out from here. So this is the problem, and one connection also removed out. So this connection we need to fix this connection inside. So then again we have to repair this speaker and we'll fix it back then. Okay, see the speaker conditions, remove the coil. See the coil come out. Maybe during the transportation the guys may have fell down the speaker, the top. Because of this is come out. Okay, see. So this is the problem, I think. So what we'll do now, we'll just disconnect the speaker and we'll fix the connector back and we'll check the sound is coming or not. Okay guys, just keep watching my video. So I removed the speaker connector. So these speakers look good, so we'll fix this internal circuit inside. Okay, so we'll fix this speaker. So without this speaker, we'll connect this connector back and check. So I have connected back the speaker. I have connected back this remove out the wire, disconnected wire. So now we'll check without one speaker. Okay, so the sound is coming or not. So if the sound is coming, then we'll just replace the damaged one. Okay guys, this is the internal view of FBT. Put it on, power comes. Okay, so I have connected the input signal and I have removed this single wire. So we'll check like this only. So it's working. Okay guys, it's working fine. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.